To change the favicon of Power Pages, log into Power Pages and choose the right environment. Select Portal Management. Go to Web Files under Content, select New on the menu bar. Complete the name field. In this example, we named it favicon.ico. Select the right website. Be sure to also select Home as the parent page. The value for partial URL is the same as the name field. Select Published as the publishing state. Save and navigate to the Notes tab. Select the icon file from Windows Explorer. Save and close. At the Power Pages marker site, edit your site, sync your changes, and preview. In preview mode, select Refresh, Ctrl F5 to display the newly uploaded favicon. By updating your favicon, users can quickly locate your site when they have multiple tabs open on their browser.